Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without all the boring stuff. Today, we've got an epic showdown between two robotic cleaning titans. On the left, the Narwal Freo robot vacuum and mop, and on the right, the Lefant M210 Pro robot vacuum cleaner. Buckle up because this is gonna get interesting. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes everyone do a double take: the price. The Narwal Freo is priced at a whopping $1,399. Yep, you heard that right. For that price, it better vacuum, mop, and maybe even make you breakfast. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro comes in at a much more wallet-friendly $209. That's less than what you'd spend on a fancy dinner date. So if you're looking to save some serious cash, Lefant's got your back. Next, let's talk about cleaning modes. The Narwal Freo is like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning. It's got the Freo mode, which basically means it's smart enough to make optimal cleaning decisions on its own. It's like having a tiny, very clean genius in your house. Reviewers appreciate its advanced features, although some noted it can struggle with certain rugs. The Lefant M210 Pro, however, isn't slacking either. It offers 4 cleaning modes: automatic, planning, fixed point, and edge. It's like the overachiever in your high school class that did all the extra credit assignments. Reviewers love its versatility, especially for pet hair and hard floors, although it can be slightly noisy. So both are pretty versatile, but Narwal Freo might just be the Einstein of the cleaning world. Now, let's talk smart features. The Narwal Freo has this thing called DirtSense Ultra Clean, which sounds like a superhero power. It intelligently detects how dirty the mops are and cleans them with the perfect mix of water and floor cleaner. It's like a robot with OCD. Reviewers love its self-cleaning function and quiet operation, but note it lacks a self-emptying feature. Meanwhile, the Lefant M210 Pro connects to an app faster than you can say Bluetooth and supports voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant. So if you're the type who likes to shout orders at your gadgets, Lefant's got you covered. Reviewers appreciate its ease of setup and effectiveness, although the app can be a bit finicky on some devices. All right, let's get superficial and talk about looks and size. The Narwal Freo is a bit of a chunky monkey, but boasts a sleek design. It's got these high-speed spinning mop pads with 12N downward force, whatever that means. Basically, it's a beast. Reviewers appreciate its robust build and effectiveness on both wood floors and area rugs. The Lefant M210 Pro, on the other hand, is like the ninja of robot vacuums. It's small, with an 11-inch diameter and just under 3 inches in height. It can sneak under your furniture like a pro and get all those dust bunnies hiding under your bed. Stealth mode activated. Reviewers love its ability to fit under furniture and its quiet operation, although it can struggle with thicker carpets. Lastly, let's talk special features. The Narwal Freo has 3 mop drying modes with gentle heat to make sure your mop pads are always fresh and clean. It's like a spa day for your mop. Reviewers love this feature and its overall advanced cleaning capabilities. The Lefant M210 Pro has Free Move 3.0 technology with upgraded 6D built-in anti-collision sensors. It's like having a tiny robot ninja with spidey senses. It can avoid obstacles and navigate your home like a pro. Reviewers appreciate its efficiency in navigating tight spaces and its long battery life, although some wish it had better mapping capabilities. Reviewers generally praise the Narwal Freo for its advanced features, excellent cleaning performance, and innovative design. although they note it comes at a high price and lacks a self-emptying feature. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro is appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, and effectiveness, particularly for pet owners, but it can struggle with thicker carpets and lacks advanced mapping capabilities. So there you have it, folks. The Narwal Freo is like the luxury SUV of robot vacuums, loaded with features but comes with a hefty price tag. The Lefant M210 Pro is more like the reliable compact car, affordable, efficient, and gets the job done. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Until next time, stay smart and keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.